too long ago, I watched you put on your coat. You said let your coat, I'm sorry, but I got to go. Now it's 14 days and I hear you knocking on my door. I felt this way before, I'm not gonna take it no more. Well, I've been told hurting don't feel so bad. Just a little lesson I learned from my dear old dad. He was the expert at love. It's one thing he understood. He said, you gotta learn when you're young, son. Some loving ain't no damn good. Thanks, Dad. I think I bit my lip, I might have held my tongue, pretended not to notice it, she just played along. I think I heard a whisper, part of a favorite Rolling Stone song. It's about never breaking his heart of stone. But I've been told hurting don't feel so bad. Just a little lesson I learned from my dear old dad. He said, listen up, son, I'd help you if I only could. You gotta learn when you're young, some loving ain't no damn good. Oh man. She used to pour my sugar, now she rubs salt in my wound. I used to wanna see her locked that away in my room. Sure had me pegged, she played me for some kind of fool. Now I chew up both my legs like a rat in a trap to get away from you. Well, I've been told hurting don't feel so bad. Just a little lesson I learned from my dear old dad. Well, I've been told, I've been told, I've been told, I've been told, I've been told that hurting don't feel so bad.